welcome back. Today's video is a brand new PR unboxing. I do these every single week here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together. I have quite a few boxes to get into this week, so why don't we go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and start with the packages. This week we have some exciting ones that look like. Up first I have something from Benefit Cosmetics. This one came in actually like a little bag, which is kind of cute. It's a holographic bag. So inside of this is their new blue mascara and then also their new Bad Gal Bang. So it looks like this is actually directly from Benefit. And I already got these in my Benefit Club Pink this week. So it looks like I have some extras to throw in a giveaway for you guys. So we have the Bad Gal Bang that now comes in blue, the original one, and then all of the new Bad Gal Bang liners. There are 4 different colors. We have a brown, a black, a purple, and a blue. Super fun from Benefit. I'll be able to throw these in a giveaway since they are duplicates. So that is always fun to throw something in my giveaway pile. You guys, my giveaway pile is getting a little full. So stay tuned. There's probably going to be a giveaway really soon because I'm needing to, you know, kind of clear everything out in there. So we definitely will have one very, very soon. Let's go ahead and jump into our next box. This is a no name, so let's see who this one is from. We got some paper on top. Ooh.
Starting over. We go together.
Alexa, turn off. I don't know why Alexa felt the need to turn on. I don't think I said anything. This is from Becca. So this is, I think, their new collection. So it says Got the Glow Champagne Pop Collector Edition. So it says right here, Champagne Pop Collector's Edition. This collection is inspired by the cult favorite classic Champagne Pop. Hue features never before seen products to give you an iconic C-Pop glow from head to toe. So it looks like we have the original, like, highlight that everyone knows about, which is Champagne Pop. We have a new Collector's Edition Glow Body Stick. There is a new Glow Silk Drops, and then a Dust Glow Highlighter. So this one's like a loose highlight. And then we also have a Glow Gloss in Champagne Cream. So this is all of the new products, and I think we have 2 of them so we can see what we have. So the first one is the Glow Body Stick. So this one is going to be a nice, this is huge packaging. Look at the pretty rose gold, love it. Fun, and this one is the body stick right here. So you can apply that all over your body to have a nice glow. And then also in here we have the collector's edition of Champagne Pop, which I'm sure you guys have all seen. And let's see, pretty packaging with the gold. How gorgeous. This was actually one of my first high-end, this was the first high-end highlight I ever bought. I had the Mary Luminizer, but like I wanted this one so bad, and I finally ended up and got it. But here is what the inside looks like. Super cute right here. I love this packaging. I still have this in my collection, so I probably won't open this one, but it's super pretty, and a big thank you to Becca for sending that over to me. Next, we have 2 different boxes from Motive Cosmetics this week, so I'm gonna open this one first, and then I'll grab the next one next. This one feels pretty heavy, so I'm curious to see what is all inside of here. Right, so it says introducing the new Motive's Thrill Me palette plus the Allure de Vie latest in skincare. So this is the skincare brand that they do have in partnership with Motive Cosmetics, so you'll see it on their website. It's called Lumiere Divai, I believe is how you say it. This is their matte moisturizing, so it's a mattifying moisturizer right here. And then also in here we have some other products from them. So this is their pink jade roller. I actually have this one, but mine broke, and it is from them. So let's see if this one is intact. That would be perfect. I still use the other one even knowing it's broken. You guys have probably seen it like on my Instagram posts, but I'll just use it. I mean, I can still make it work. It's just kind of cracked in 2 at the middle. I've recently been getting into the jade rollers like a lot lately. I do really like that one that I do have, but again, it is broken. So let's hope this one, it is intact. Perfect. Okay, cool. So I have a new one, which I'm excited about because then I don't have to go and grab both pieces. I've been using just like the larger side and then kind of forgetting about the smaller side just because mine was broken in the middle, but super nice here from them. I love this one. I think it's very nice, very pretty. It's like a marbled one. And then we also have in here from that same skincare brand, this is their Ice Roller, Soothing Skin Roller. And I have this one already too, which I do really like. And let's go ahead and see the makeup products. We have the palette in here. So this one here is the Thrill Me palette. It definitely looks very fun. I love the packaging on this. And here is the inside of the palette right here. So we have 6 different shades there. And then it looks like it is a cream blush, I believe that is what that one looks like. Oh, it's a lipstick. Okay, so that one is a lipstick right here. You can hear Nova barking. Everyone just wants to interrupt me today. And then we also have a long wearing liquid eyeliner. This is really pretty in like this fun blue shade. And then we also have a lip gloss from them. Ooh, this one is fun as well. So this one is one of their liquid metal eyeshadows. Look at that in that blue shade. And then we have another one of the eyeliners, and then there is a purple in the liquid shadow as well. Let me swatch both of these because I've never tried their formula of liquid shadows before. So here is a swatch of the blue one. It definitely looks very pigmented. It kind of looks like a lipstick. Look at how neon that looks. Love. I'm gonna have to try this out for sure. And then again, there is a purple one and the eyeliner to go with it. Super nice package, very generous from Motives Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna open the other box from them as well. All right, so here is what the other package looked like. This one is all fancy with a bow and everything. So we'll dig this one open and see. And this one has, it says Motives. And let's see if this is, ooh, some new eyeshadow palettes. How fun. Okay, so we have the Boss Babe, Gold Digger, and the Jet Setter palettes. I'm loving that they're coming out with these like larger palettes. I talked about that in the last one that I had from them. So here is the packaging on the Boss Babes. Really cute again. So here is that one right here. Ooh, we lost a shade. I'm gonna say really pretty. Darn it. Okay, I can probably pack this back in. Maybe not. Okay, well, we lost a shade in this one. But aside from that, the palette actually looks really nice. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few. Actually, a few of these feel kind of loose in here. Hopefully we don't break the entire palette. I'll be careful with the other ones. So here are a few swatches from this one, which is the Boss Babe palette. And then I'm going to see if I can pick up the shadow and kind of press it back in here. All right, this one actually came broken as well. This one is the Gold Digger palette, and it has a green shade in here that actually looks really pretty, but this one looks like it came kind of shattered too. So I don't, is that in the same spot as the other one? Hold on, let me see if that's the same. It's not, okay. I was like, is it in the same row? That's kind of weird. But this one looks really, really nice. I actually really think this green one looks pretty. So let me actually swatch it before I tip it. I don't want to tip this palette. So I kind of won't be able to really show you, but I'll swatch a few of the shades in this one. I really like these cranberry shades. This is the green one right here in the middle. It's like a kind of like an orangey green. It's a very unique color. I don't think I have anything like that. It's a lot of like shifts in it. I think it's really pretty. Again, if I don't like, I'm gonna have to like repress that one down in this palette. And then the last one is the Jet Setter. Let's hope that this one isn't broken either. Okay, this one all looks intact. And so this one here is the Jet Setter palette. Look at how fun that one is. I'm really excited about these. I think it's really cool that they're coming out with these palettes. I definitely think a lot more people are gonna like this style of palette. So I'll definitely have to try these out and let you guys know what I think. But I think they look really cute. I love the packaging on them. Obviously we had a few issues with the shades, but I'm sure that that was just an issue that I had when it came in my carrier and everything like that. The next box here is from Persona, and I think that this is their new lip shades. I'm so excited. They have one of my favorite formulas of liquid lipsticks, and then also their lip gloss formula is so good as well. So inside of here we have the Phoenix Matte Lip. So I'm so excited. There is a new shade of their matte liquid lipsticks, which I talk about all the time that they are one of my favorite formulas. And we have a pink and a coral lip gloss. So 2 new shades in the lip gloss formula, which I do really enjoy the lip gloss formula as well. So it looks like this one comes in a duo, like you can purchase it in a duo or you can get it separate. So go ahead and open this. So here are the fun new gloss shades. So we have the pink gloss and then also the coral gloss. And I'm going to swatch both of them. I really love the applicator on the glosses as well. It has a little bit of bend in it, which I appreciate. It's not a sticky formula. It's not a thick formula. Like, it's just really nice on the lips. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys the coral shade as well. So here is the pink and here is the coral. As you can tell, it's just kind of like in a very opaque formula, but it's not too opaque. It just looks really nice on top of like a regular lipstick or on its own. I've worn these a lot on their own as well. So super fun to have 2 new colors. And then we also have a new matte liquid lip as well. And I'll show you guys a swatch of this one. So this one is called Phoenix. And I really like their other red one. I'm trying to think of what it's called. I can't remember. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but that one is really pretty. Ooh, this one is nice. It's kind of more of like a true red. I think the other one that they have is more of kind of like an orangey red. So definitely fun new lip products from Persona. You can find them at Ulta Beauty. They have really good highlighters as well. All right, this next one right here came over from DERMA. I think that these are their new BB creams. I actually seen these on Rose and Ben's Instagram. They looked really, really nice. So it says, meet your match. Find your perfect match with our new tinted moisturizing BB creams with SPF 30. So they come in 5 different shades, and it says achieve a dewy and flawless complexion, smooths, primes, and illuminates your face. Super awesome. So it says that contains high performing building mineral pigments that adjust to your skin tone. So it's going to find your perfect shades. So that's why there's only 5 shades. So it looks like each one of these will kind of transform into your perfect match. Here they actually sent over, it looks like 4, or actually all of the shades here. We have 5 different shades. Like the packaging, it's definitely different with like the coral here. And then there's also a sponge in here. I don't know if this is like their sponge or what, but it is a sponge here in this little tube right here. Let's see what the sponge feels like. I'm always into, ooh, this feels soft, finding like new sponges because I go through them so often. I use them pretty much every single day. And then there's also this cute little bag in here as well. So let's see what shade would probably work best for us. So we have a fair, a medium, a light, a deep, and then also a tan. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna be the light shade. So we have fair and then light. I'm guessing I'll probably be the light shade. So let me pull this out and see what the coverage looks like on here. Came out really like a lot. That was a lot. Let me see if I can put a little bit back in here. Doesn't always work. It's a squeeze tube, so I feel like I could put a little bit back in there. It definitely comes out fast. It's a lot more liquidy than I thought it was going to be. This one again is the light shade. This is a lot more liquidy than I was thinking. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like thicker. So definitely a little bit would go a long way with this, but it does look like it has a little bit of a radiant finish in it. This shade looks like it would match me pretty well. So this is definitely going to be nice for the summertime for sure. I love things that aren't as like heavy and thick on my skin. So for sure, I'm going to incorporate this one into my new like summer routine and see how I like it. Okay, and then next up we got something from Huda Beauty, and I actually already peeked in this one because I was really excited. So she sent over her neon palettes, and I already used one of them because I couldn't resist. I used the pink one yesterday, so if you guys seen my Allure Beauty Box unboxing, I had the pink neon palette on my eyes in that video, and I loved the way the eye look came out. It was very, very fun. It was very pigmented. I loved, loved, loved the tones. I just used this shade, and this shade, and it was like, looked like I'd worked really hard for the look, but it literally took me like 5 minutes to do. So I really liked that. So this one here is the pink palette. I don't think they have another name aside from that. I don't really even see a name on them, so I think that maybe they're just like the pink, green, and orange one. So here's the pink one right here, and then they also sent over the other 2 ones. So we have the neon one with the green. So here's what that one looks like. I love the tones in this one, especially like this blue, like purpley shade. I think it's so pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch it. Yeah, it's like very purple, but it's kind of blue. It has like a lot of shifts in it. I think it's really pretty. And then we also have the neon orange palette as well. And this one has some fun like pinks and oranges. And we have this really fun like lime green shade in here. I'm going to swatch that one. I haven't swatched these yet. So this one here is kind of like the yellowy green. Yeah, that's so fun. These just look really, really unique. I love the fact that they're just like neon shades, and especially love these shimmers. Like they definitely pack a punch for sure. I noticed that when I was using the other palette. I can't wait to test out the orange one, also the green one. These look so fun. I love the little Obsessions palettes. I think they're so perfect. I love that there's only 9 shades in here. They're compact and they're really cute. I love the packaging, so definitely excited about these ones from Huda. All right, we just got 2 more boxes left. So up next we have one here from Too Faced. All right, so this is their brand new mascara. So it says Damn Girl. This is their new mascara that they just launched, which is exciting. And I'll go ahead and open this box here. And inside...
Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick!
Okay. So obviously it has... Did you guys hear it? I don't know.
Damn, girl! Those lashes are thick!
We love that. Okay. And then I've seen everyone opening this. Okay, stop it. I've seen everyone opening this, and I think that, I was a hot mess obsessed today, you guys, seriously. I've seen a few people get this and I think it's so fun. So they actually did like this giant mascara tube right here, and then on the inside we have the actual mascara, which the component of this alone looks so just like luxe and really pretty. I love like the rose gold, like pink. It looks like a diamond. It just looks so sleek. I really like it. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys the wand. I haven't seen this yet, so I'm curious to see. Okay, so here is what the wand on this new mascara looks like. I don't think Too Faced has come out with a new mascara in a while. I know they have their Better Than Sex, and that's like a holy grail for so many people. So I do really like that mascara, so I'm curious to see how I will like this one. I am just like loving mascaras right now. I haven't been applying lashes that much. I've used them a little bit this week, but prior to that, I've just been all about mascara, my natural lashes. So anytime I get to try a new one, it always makes me excited. I love this package. This is so fun. Okay, and then the last one we have here is Melody Joy PR, and this is one of their Beauty Essentials boxes, which you guys know I love getting these in the mail. All right, so this is their Summer Essentials box. So inside of here, we're gonna have a bunch of different brands. So this is a PR company that sends over these boxes, and they kind of just correlate. Different brands get to be in here, and they correlate it with the season, which is really nice. So the first one in here is from Kerma Miracle. This is the Inva Sun Skin Defense Supplement. This is a dietary supplement. It says 30 veggie tablets. So I'm not sure what this is for. It says take one in the day in the food, and 60 minutes before sun exposure. Interesting. So increase your skin's resistance to the elements. I've never heard of something like this. So you take it, it's kind of like sunscreen, but you ingest it. I'll have to look into this. That's pretty cool. And then also in here, we have some things here from La Bang Body. I got something from them a few months back, and it was their sugar scrub, and I love it. I've been using it every single time I shower. So this is their hydrating body oil. Comes in this little pouch like this. I love the color on here, super cute. We also have something from Deanna. So this is a Light Tricks Highlighting Duo right here. We have this here from Refresh. This is Organic Toning Face Mist, Cucumber and Rose Water. That actually sounds really good. We also have this right here, which is from Twinmex. This is a Pro Refine Moisturizer. And Prep, Prime, and Moisturize. It says AM and PM here. And then we also have something from Kimco. This is their Super Fine Eyebrow Pencil. And the shade I have is in Coffee. I'll open this one up so we can see what it looks like. So you actually twist it up right here. I'll go ahead and swatch it. And here's what the pencil looks like. I actually really like it when it's a fine pencil like this. That's how I like mine. It does have a spoolie on the other side. And I like ones that retract like this. You don't have a lid, because I'm always losing the lids on mine. My Dior one had that as well, which I did really like. We also have a little sharpener. This is from Deanna, so that one is for that highlights. And then we have an eyeshadow palette. This is from Nomad right here. Very fun packaging on this one. So this is their Tokyo palette. Oh, this looks so nice. I kind of feel like this looks like ice cream, you know, like, I don't know, just like, I kind of feel like this is just like a pastel dream. I love pastel colors, especially in like the summertime. This is just such a fun palette. Let me swatch a couple of the shades. These shimmers actually look really pretty. They're kind of like a baked shimmer almost. I don't know how to explain them. And then I'll swatch a couple of these mattes. They feel really buttery and smooth. So just a couple. Ooh, look at that blue. This one is like that pinky blue shade. These look really pigmented. I've tried a few palettes from Nomad in the past, and I do think that they have really good quality palettes, and I think that their eyeshadows are really nice. That is definitely a fun palette for sure. And then the last thing in here is from Pathology. It says Resting Beach Face. So this is their Soothing Sheet Mask and Lip Gel Mask. So this is like a double set from them. Love their lip gels. Also love all of their masks. I love Pathology. You guys hear me talk about them a bunch. Really fun. I'm so excited about this palette. This looks so pretty, especially this color. I want to put that on right now. But after that, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. You guys will have to let me know down below what product you're most excited about that we got this week in the mail. Let me know what you want to see in our first impressions, reviews, anything like that, Instagram videos. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.